Basic appraisal procedures, page 212. Where liability can become an issue is for individuals represent themselves as home inspectors and others rely on their opinions when that individual was not qualified or competent. Such misrepresentation or misunderstanding can lead to serious trouble if a major defect in a house is overlooked. That is why it is very important for appraisers to be careful not to be perceived as giving home inspection advice. The only advice that an appraiser should give to homeowners, buyers, or sellers is to urge them to have a professional home inspection performed. Liability can be a problem for home inspectors if they miss a serious problem with the house. Since home inspectors are considered to have a higher level of competence, they are held to a higher degree of standard. Areas covered by a home inspection. A thorough home inspection covers the areas discussed in this chapter and more, from the roof to the foundation, and all parts and systems in between. Home inspections are designed to let homeowners and buyers know what the condition of the property is. The inspection process itself cannot be destructive or invasive. A typical home inspection usually includes site drainage, foundation, exterior components, roof, plumbing, electrical, HVAC systems, interior components, structural components, and any reportable environmental conditions, for instance, mold. Other items that are usually inspected as part of a home inspection include detached garages and other site improvements, fireplaces, chimneys, etc. Some inspectors might also offer additional tests, often at additional cost, for wells, septic systems, drinking water, air quality, termites, lead, radon, and any number of other items. It is important to note, however, that radon inspection and termite inspection is usually regulated and licensed by jurisdictional authorities. Only inspectors with that jurisdiction's credentials may perform those inspections. Important points. Home inspections are designed to let homeowners and buyers know the condition of the property. The inspection process itself cannot be destructive or invasive. If an inspection is regulated by jurisdictional authorities, for instance, termite and radon inspections, only inspectors with that jurisdiction's credentials may perform those inspections. Page 213. Summary. 1. Steps in building a new house: research and planning, pre-construction, site work, foundation, framing, roofing, rough-ins, interior finish, exterior finish, and completion. Foundations: concrete slabs, piers and beams, crawl spaces or basements, framing, platform, post and beam, balloon, roofing, truss, joist and rafters, sloped joist, roof styles, gable, hip, gambrel, mansard, salt box, shed, flat. 2. Building inspections: government authorities ensuring compliance with prevailing building codes. Order of inspections for new builds: preliminary, plans, site foundation before pouring footers, underfloor, close in, rough, insulation, drywall, wall cover, final inspection. Occupancy certification may be required. Permits, government documents allowing work to be performed. Building permit needed to construct, build, alter, move, destroy, demolish. 3. Building codes set construction standards for methods, materials. Codes must be adopted by jurisdictions as exercise of police power for building codes to be enforceable. Old work not up to current code is usually allowed to stay if work was up to code at time it was performed and safe now. If remodeling, all work may need to meet code. Commercial buildings usually need to meet current codes, especially health, fire, ADA. Electrical deficiencies. Inadequate electric service, need at least 100 amps. Not enough outlets / grounded outlets. Need ground fault interrupters. Undersized, worn wiring. Number 12 gauge equals 20 amp. Number 10 gauge equals 30 amp. Plumbing deficiencies. Traps. S-trap can allow sewer gas to escape. P-traps are better. Outdated pipe material. Non-copper metal pipes can corrode. Lead is dangerous. 4. Architectural styles. American colonial. English Tudor. French Provincial. Spanish Villa. Cape Cod. Traditional ranch. Modern contemporary. Functional layouts. 1 story, 1 and 1/2 story, and 2 story. Windows, single hung, double hung, horizontal sliding, casement, awning, hopper, fixed sash, bay window. Doors, 6 panel, 4 panel, flush, solid or hollow. 5. Mechanical systems in a house are electrical, plumbing, heating, electrical system, wiring, breaker box, breakers, lights, switches, outlets, plumbing system, piping, faucets, sinks, toilets, tubs, hot water tank, and gas lines. Supply water lines are under pressure. Sewer lines need gravity. Vents, heating system, furnace, flue, ducts, registers, thermostat, and can include AC HVAC. Normal 2,000 square foot home might use 80,000 BTU furnace. 2-ton 24K BTU AC. Furnace can be forced air, blower, or gravity. Heat pump is alternative. 6. Home inspection. Visual exam of structure, systems, objective. Find dangers, damage, non-working items. Home can't fail, but lets buyer know repairs needed, etc. Professional home inspectors. ASHI, NAHI, NABIE, others. Inspection isn't guaranteed, but potential liability exists if something is missed, or appraiser acts as an inspector when not. Inspection covers systems, foundation, roof, windows, doors, interior, exterior. May offer tests for well, septic, termites, lead, radon, etc.